Hello friends, we are going to do yoga with Lupa Zalupa today. Let's get started. Bring the soles of your feet together, sit tall with a relaxed posture, and breathe slowly as your hips soften and peaceful calm spreads through your body. Press your forearms firmly into the floor, lift your hips high, and take smooth, deep breaths while your shoulders and back grow stronger and more flexible. Lie comfortably on your back, hold your feet gently, and rock side to side as slow breathing helps your hips and lower back release tension. Step one foot forward into a long lunge. Stretch your arms overhead, and breathe steadily while strength and balance flow through your entire body. Lower into a gentle squat. Keep your chest lifted and press your hands together while calm breaths help your hips relax and your mind feel clear. Slide your arms forward on the mat. Keep your hips lifted, and breathe deeply while your shoulders and spine stretch and soften comfortably. Stand balanced on one leg, lift one arm upward, and focus on steady breathing as your body feels light, stable, and calm. Lie flat on your back with arms and legs relaxed. Close your eyes, and allow every muscle to sink into the floor while your breath becomes soft, slow, and completely peaceful. Rest flat on your back, guide one knee across your body, and breathe slowly while your spine unwinds and your muscles relax completely. Raise your body sideways with steady control. Engage your core, and breathe evenly while building balance, focus, and quiet strength. upright with crossed legs, stretch your arms behind your back, and breathe calmly while your shoulders and upper back gently open. Reach your arms overhead. Lean carefully to one side, and inhale deeply while your body lengthens and your mind feels peaceful and relaxed. Keep your front knee bent, stretch one arm overhead, and breathe deeply while your chest expands and powerful energy moves through your body. Lie on your back. Pull your knees in gently, and take slow calming breaths while your lower back softens and your body feels comforted. Stand with your feet wide apart, fold forward slowly, and let your head relax downward, while deep breathing releases tension from your body and mind. Rest on your belly with your forearms beneath you. Lift your chest softly, and breathe calmly while your spine stretches and your body feels supported. Stand tall with wide legs and open arms. Lift your chest confidently, and breathe deeply while feeling energized, strong, and fully awake. Lie comfortably on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, and relax your knees outward while peaceful breathing fills your body with calm. Sit gently on your heels, rest your hands on your legs, and focus on slow, smooth breathing while your mind becomes still and relaxed. Forward with one foot, lower your back knee gently, and breathe deeply while your hips loosen and your chest opens comfortably. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye.